Hello everyone, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be learning how to thread and run our industrial button tacker machine. Don't forget that we've treated some of those machines on this channel, like the buttonhole, the cover stitch, that's the tipping machine, the overlocking, that's the 4 thread and the 5 thread. So if you are yet to watch these videos, kindly check our channel and you will see it there. So today, let's get started. Now, the threading of this button tacker, number one, this is our thread. So this thread will enter this hole and it comes out from the back, comes like this to enter the second hole from here. So it will go from there and enter this place. When it enters this place, it comes out and passes under this tensional. So after that, it goes like this, enter the second tensioner here, make sure it enters properly. So after that, it goes over this, comes out like this, and like this. So just make sure you roll it like that. So it will now enter this tiny hole, comes around this one, and you take it round. It's like spiral now, going like this, and it goes round this place. There's a groove here, make sure it enters that groove on this one. Now, so when you get to this place, you notice that when I press this thing, there is a little movement here. So you allow the thread to enter that place before bringing it under this particular black one. Let me repeat myself. When you press this particular button here, there is a little movement or a little opening here. So the thread will enter the opening. The thread enters the opening here and you pass it down, and now it comes under this place. So that is why before the thread can move, consider dragging it is not moving, you have to press this thing, then it will move. So when you're running your machine, the machine presses this. As you press the pedal, this one goes in, and that is when the thread is able to move. All right, so after that, when it has come under this place, now you bring it up and it enters this place. So when it enters that place, from there you pass it into the second hole here. Now, so from there it enters this place. So consider I have to press this down before dragging my thread. That's the work of this thing, is one holding the thread in place. So from there it enters here, and after that it goes down into this hole like this. So that's how to thread it. So the needle now, let me show you something on the needle. Don't forget that button tacker uses TQ. I've done a video on the needle that all these industrial machine uses. So it uses TQ, and this is size 14. We have size 16 too. This is TQ1. I think there is TQ7. I'm using TQ1, and this is size 14. So if you check the needle very well, see it has two sides. Normally now needle has two sides. So the one with the longer groove is one that will be facing you like this. So you thread it from the front. So the one that with the longer groove like this is one that will be facing outside, and you thread your needle from the front, unlike the buttonhole that we usually thread from the back. So button tacker is opposite of buttonhole, you thread from the front. So because I don't want to remove this needle again, that's why. So now the needle is already there, so we thread the needle, then we run the machine. So you just can you see now? And also this one does not have a bobbing section because there's no ruler there, just your thread up, and that's all you need. Now another thing I'm going to show you is there's a numbering at the back here. there's a numbering at the back. You see that we have two symbols here. This it has 2 holes, this has 4 holes. So the one that has 2 holes are the ones that are actually working for buttons with 2 holes, just like what I'm holding here. That's like this button is having 2 holes. So if you want to tack button with 2 holes, bring this bar, shift it here to tack. We're going to run it off. Just let me just explain now. You shift this bar here for 2 hole button, and so as long as you move from here only for this side to this place, this is now 4 hole. So here, that's when we have buttons that has 4 holes. See, we have and that's what we work with majorly. That's 4 holes. 4 holes. So this will now depend on the sizes of the button you want to work. You can see I have 2 sizes here. I have this smaller one, I have another one that is like the next size to it. We have others that are bigger than this, so that will determine the number you're going to put it. For instance, now we have 1.5, we have 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.55, and so on and so forth for 4 holes. So I think this is in 2 now. So that's the size of the button I want to tack, and after that we'll now check another one. So this is 2 holes and this is 4 holes. So let's run our machine now. Unfortunately, I just broke my needle, so I have to change it. So let me now show you how to change the needle. Not that. So you remove the one that is there. Then, like I told you, this side you really want to face you. Place it there. Okay. Okay, this thread goes there. Okay, so now that I've explained all this, now we can run the machine. So we have 2 buttons here. We have the green and the red button. So the green button is to start the machine, while the red button is to stop it. So now the machine is on. So you take your button and slide it into the button holder. Then you put the fabric you want to attach the button to, tack the button on, then you press. Can you see? Yeah. So let me do another one. Just slide it in and make sure it's resting on this 3 button holder. Then now, are you see now? Now I want to do another size of button, the same 4 hole. Slide it in, make sure it's fitting well. Then wow, can you see? I think I have one more. 4 holes. Slide it in. Now, so now that we have done different types of 4 holes, let me go and change it to the 2 holes, and let's work with 2 holes too. Now I want to change to 2 holes. 2 holes now. So you press it down. Can you see? So it's on 2 holes now. So I want to work with 2 holes. Take your button slide it in. Wow, see something. Henceforth, don't tap button with your hand again. So hit the button. So you can see now that you can use your the industrial button tacker to tack button both your 4 holes and your 2 holes, and also you can tack your 4 holes of different sizes. So if I don't have all, these are the only 2 sizes I have, and that's what I've used as an example for you. So if you want to work with other sizes, you have to change it from here either to the size. I use size 2, you can take to size 2.5 or 3. All right, so the next thing I'm going to be showing us now, let me do the machine off, is how to hold the machine. Now, when I was teaching you how to, when we were working on the buttonhole, the cover stitch, and the overlocking machine, I think they have oil sump, so they're like a basin that has oil under. Also the straight sewing, but this one does not have oil sump, so you have to make sure you hold it properly so that it won't be dry. So all these holes, put just few drops there, put few drops there. Yeah, we have some on this side too, so put few drops here. You have some up here. Make sure you oil your machine so that it will not be causing friction. Also, you oil inside here, oil inside here too. Yeah, oil it properly, because there's nothing that is taking oil there unlike others. So you oil this gear. You oil it. So I think for the button tacker, that is all you need to know. So if you have a question, if you have any question, please let me know at the comment section. Thank you so much. If you have watched this video up to this point, kindly like, share, and comment. See you in the next tutorial. Don't pour oil on the bed though. Please don't pour oil on the birds. Yeah, don't pour oil. Be careful when you're holding it so that you don't pour on the birds. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.